July 8th, 2020, Wednesday. US cash market is open right here, right now. Good afternoon from Europe. Good morning, good evening, guys, wherever you are. Piotr here, this is Light Forex Global YouTube channel. Very slow beginning of the day. Let's have a look if the US guys are gonna bring the volatility back in, right? And let's check few charts and let's try to get as much as we can out of those charts. First minute, if you remember yesterday, well, it was quite a good day for us based on the intraday, based on the intraday perspective. I'm struggling a little bit. I'm struggling a little bit when it comes to the medium long term, but anyway, we'll see what's going to happen. If you remember, we have yesterday range. There was an open. Yesterday was quite wide, right? And that's the yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, that's the yesterday daily open, and that's where we are trying to fight right now at. Green, go. That's where we are fighting at right now, guys. Look, right? So that's also telling us something. Anyway, we've seen yesterday rejection towards the end of the day, and it was, well, quite a strong one, I would say. But well, day as usual, meaning that we are going to go even higher today, or something is about to change. Well, we will see. I want to see how big the range is going to be when it comes to the Nasdaq, because, you know, as I mentioned at the very beginning, the day is very slow, especially we started very slow. So my way of thinking is that there are gonna be some kind of the combination manipulation, few stops here, few stops there, etc., right? So that's what I'm gonna to look for. That's where I'm gonna to focus. You know, day trading doesn't mean that we have to trade every day, right? But anyway, we will see. If there are not gonna be any kind of the setups for me, simply as it is, I'm gonna skip the New York session. But well, you know, I think that's something, at least with the stops, is going to happen. So from the intraday perspective, I'm going to try to take the advantage of that, and well, trying to grab few pips here, few pips there, right? Still 2 minutes to go when it comes to the Nasdaq. Euro dollar trying to take out New York high yesterday, going even higher, mostly because, in my opinion, mostly because of the euro pound, because we are trying to get back above 90 on the euro pound, and I've placed the chart. I've placed the chart on the trading view as well. I'm looking for a move back. I'm looking for a move back above 1910, 1915, right? So I wanna see this type of the price action going higher. Then I wanna see the pullback towards this low, meaning that retest of 90, maybe 89, 80, and then strong rally, right? That's how I see euro pound. We were doing quite well with the euro pound lately, so hopefully this time is gonna be similar. So here I'm looking to buy euro. I'm looking to buy euro pound. Pound is struggling. Market got the details when it comes to the tax relief, some support, right, to the economy because of the COVID. So well, we will see. But because of what we've seen when it comes to the pound, right? Well, we have to remember about what we already have, right? The further rally on the cable cannot be ruled out 1-to-1, so we might take out the stops. What I would suggest is to check the pullbacks, how deep they were lately. All right. That's with this wave higher, those two are the deepest, right? So I'm looking for some higher levels possible on the cable, more stops to the upside, right? We broke this latest wave to the upside, so that's the key. Well, even 2650 cannot be ruled out in that case. We will see. We'll see. Let's get back to the Nasdaq for a second. All right. And we have huge range, right? We have huge range. Move higher, helping. Is a helping hand for the cable, because as we discussed, cable reacting lately as a risk on risk of currency. But anyway, looks like the US guys first 5-minute trading range a little bit smaller, 20% smaller than what we've seen yesterday, right? But let's have a look what we have. There are a few things we have to focus on. The first is a possible swing high based on the combination yesterday, day before. All right. So that's let's check if this type of the move. Yeah, it's possible with the stop hand. It's possible with the stop hand. So that's the first 5-minute trading range, right? That's the first 5-minute trading range. The same what we did yesterday, the same what we are doing every day. 1-to-1, let's check. That would be a little bit higher. And 1-to-1 to the downside, and it stops. No. So it could be more, right? If you remember, guys, we do have demand. We haven't hit that one, so we have stops, plenty of stops to work with to the downside. That could be that could be 2-to-1 to the downside. Yes, ideally. So that could be 2-to-1 to the upside as well eventually. All right, so we are struggling at the top of the range. Meaning that we took out some intraday stops based on the pre-market. We can try to create some, yeah, that could be some kind of the megaphone here as well, in that case. We'll see. That was this one, so that would be the second one. Well, we have stops to the upside. Well, so what's the plan? All right, what's the plan? Well, daily cash open, yesterday cash open, clear support for now. What I wanna see the break, the retest either of those cash opens from today and yesterday, or even retest a little bit higher, to have this possible over under. So either like this or like that. All right, somewhere between, let's say, 10,595 and 10,610, right? But first I want to see the breakdown, then rally back, retest, and those two, the distance of them, that's the original first 5-minute trading range, and I'm looking for double that to the downside to hit this demand over here. So that's the plan for Nasdaq. Euro dollar trying to go higher. We have option expiration soon. Then we have London fix, but dollar is losing ground here. So I want to see later on what is going on. As I've mentioned, very quiet day, so this type of the strange price action could take place. We are above yearly open, that's the key. Some 1350 stops could be in play, right? Or even retest post FOMC high cannot be ruled out. Cable, very similar situation, waiting to see what's going to happen. as I mentioned, higher levels here because of a few things discussed previously, because of we broke some waves, upside correction waves and stuff like this. So we will see what's going to happen here, okay? Australian dollar, I think we might see retest of 70, and that's where I'm going to look for a selling opportunity to have this over under in place, 1 to 1, somewhere here. All right, and euro pound, as discussed, I want to see move back above 1915, like this pullback and rally. Right, so I do expect euro a little bit stronger. So in case you want to trade the dollar, if you see euro pound above 90.10, then probably it's better to be long euro versus dollar and short cable. Or if you see below 90, move back below 90, then pound is stronger than euro. So in that case, you want to eventually short euro dollar, being long cable if you want to trade that way. Okay. With that being said, guys, it was a pleasure to make this update. Again, slow day, might be more stop hunt than you think. Volume is a little bit below the average. So be careful, guys, all right? It might not be great day, so work with your exposure, all right? I'm going to make an update if necessary. It was my pleasure to make the update at US Cash Open. Take care, guys. See you around. Take care. Goodbye.